Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another interesting video. Today we are going to quickly analyze the 2024 election results of India. We are going to see what seats BJP have gained or lost, what seats Congress have gained or lost state-wise, and analyze what were the differences between the two elections and how the seat difference actually occurred. Okay, so I have the data here with the state, the seats BJP won in 2019, 2024, and the same with Congress as well, right? I've also marked the location to say which part of India the state belongs to and the percentage change in seats for both. And I have not considered all the states as you see, only states which have a minimum number of seats, not the ones with 1 seat, 2 seat and all, as I feel that don't make much impact, right? So first of all, we'll start with simple graphs to see state by state, okay, how has the performance changed. So I will start with Andhra Pradesh. If you notice, Andhra Pradesh, Congress has not won any seats in both the elections. BJP has won 3 this time, plus they had the alliance of TDP, right? So they got 3 more seats, but not a huge difference, I would say. Next, from Andhra Pradesh, I will move to Assam. If I look at Assam, Congress got 3 seats both the times, BJP got 9 seats both the times, right? If we look at the data, it's evident here. So no big change for both parties in Assam, right? So it says 0% change for both. Now let me move on to the next state. I'll move on to Bihar. So in Bihar, if you see, Congress from 1 have moved to 3. BJP were around 16 or 17, they've dropped to 12. But I think they got some more seats from their alliances in Bihar, around 4-5 seats from one party. And of course, they had some more alliance. So I think it's still fine, right? But they have dropped a bit in Bihar. Moving further to Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, you see, Congress got 2 and then 1, right? Nothing big. BJP got 9 and then 10, right? So pretty much the same. So they have done well in Chhattisgarh, BJP. Then moving to the next state on the list, Gujarat. Okay. So if you see here, Congress just got 1 seat this time in the election. BJP have dominated. They've got 25, 26 seats both times. No big change. So I come here to Gujarat. As you see, right, BJP have purely dominated Gujarat as well. So just 1 seat they've dropped, but not a huge difference. Now, after Gujarat, let me go to Haryana. Okay, Haryana is an interesting state because as you see here, Congress got 0 seats last time. They won 5 seats this time. BJP went from 10 all the way to 5. Right, they've lost half the seats that has gone to Congress in Haryana. So I think Haryana has made a good difference. Although it's only 5 seats, BJP have lost some seats here, right? Last time they won everything. This time, as you see, they won 5. Congress have also won 5. So essentially, this is where one flip has happened. So Haryana seems to be a state where Congress has gained some seats. Now, let's move further. Let me go to Jharkhand. Okay. So in Jharkhand, Congress has won 1 and then 2 seats this time. And with BJP, it was around 10 or 11. It has dropped to 8. Right? If we go to the data here, from 11 it has dropped to 8. Okay, 27% drop. So 3 seats are down, but it's still fine, right? In the bigger picture, not a huge number, I guess. Then after Jharkhand, let me go to Karnataka, another interesting state. Okay, Karnataka, if you notice, Congress got only 1 seat last time, but 9 seats this time. BJP went from 25 all the way to 17. Right, huge drop for BJP, and that has been the gain for the Congress in Karnataka. Right, if I go here, you already see 25 BJP dropped to 17. Congress went from 1 to 9, and as you see, BJP's change was 32% down. Congress, of course, since they went from 1 to 9, 800% increase. But even in terms of seats, they've gained 8 seats, and BJP have lost 8 seats. It seems significant as a state, Karnataka. Now, let's go and check a few more states. Madhya Pradesh, what's the deal? Let's see. Madhya Pradesh, Congress just gained 1 seat last time. This time, BJP have dominated, right? Like they've got close to 30 seats both the times. We go to the data, 28 and 29. They're dominant. Congress are literally non-existent in Madhya Pradesh. Seems to be one of the dominant states of BJP. Then move further. Another very interesting state for me, Maharashtra, right? Maharashtra, Congress in 2019 got like less than 5 seats. This time they got 13 seats, I guess. BJP went from 23 all the way to 7 or 8. Right? If I go back to the data here, BJP went from 23 to 9, and Congress went from 4 seats to 13, right? So BJP had a 60% drop, Congress had a 225% increase. So this is another huge gain for Congress. They won 9 more seats, whereas BJP lost 14 more seats in Maharashtra. Another place where I think Congress have flipped the story. Now let's move further beyond Maharashtra to Odisha. Okay, in Odisha, as you see, Congress have just one seat both times, no difference. But BJP have gone from around 6 or 7 all the way to 20. Right, they have gained from Biju Janata Dal many seats. So BJP had a very good jump here. And if I go back to the data, I see yes, it's a very good jump from 8 seats all the way to 20. They've gained 12 seats here, which is massive, right? Congress have not done anything here. So this is one place where BJP has gained, Odisha. Now let me move further and see another state. Let me pick Punjab. Okay, let's see what has Punjab got to offer. BJP just a couple of seats. Congress have got 8 and 7, right? So Congress have been doing well, no huge change. BJP have been struggling in Punjab. Now, after Punjab, we have Rajasthan, another interesting state for me, right? Congress from 0, they've gained 8 seats. BJP from 24 odd have now dropped to about 13 or 14. If we have a look at the data here, from 24 they've come to 14. Congress went from 0 to 8, right? They've gained 8 seats here, while BJP have lost 10. Rajasthan is another state where Congress has gained some foothold, as you can see in the numbers. BJP had a 40% drop. Congress went from 0 all the way to 8, right? They had no seats in the last election, but this time they got 8 seats. Let's move further to another state, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu BJP never wins. Unfortunately, it's my home state as well. Congress have got 8 and 9 seats. Very similar comparison, right? Congress had an alliance with DMK, who have also dominated both elections in Tamil Nadu. Then let me go to Telangana. Telangana has been like from 2, Congress went to 8, BJP went from 4 to 8. So both had some gains overall. So no huge difference, but both have gained, right? I think that's something they've gained from the other parties. Then finally, we are left with just a couple more states. I think we have Uttar Pradesh. Let's have a look at Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh, Congress went from like 1 seat to 6 seats, right? BJP went from 60 plus to 30. They lost like a lot of seats, about 30 seats to the Samajwadi Party, who happened to be an alliance of the Congress, right, in this India alliance. But Congress also went from 1 to 6, decent gains. BJP have lost half their seats, right? If I come to Uttar Pradesh, from 62 they went to 33, almost 50% down. So that's another huge place where BJP have lost. Congress have gained 5 seats plus their alliance gain, but BJP have significantly lost in Uttar Pradesh. And then finally coming to the other state on the list, that is West Bengal. As you see, Congress got 2 seats and this time 1 seat, no big difference. BJP went from about 18 to 12, right? So here is another state where Congress didn't do much, but BJP went from 18 to 12. They lost 6 seats, right? 33% drop, right? So West Bengal is another state where BJP has lost, Congress has not done much, right? So from this overall, if I go here, put a filter, and I want to just filter the red colors. As you see, Bihar, BJP lost 5 seats, but they gained it through alliance, no problems. Haryana is a place where BJP lost 5, Congress gained 5, right? So Congress has gained advantage in Haryana. They gained a seat in Jharkhand, BJP lost 3. Karnataka is another place where Congress gained significant advantage. BJP lost 8 seats, Congress have gained 8 seats, right? And then Maharashtra is another place where BJP lost 14 while Congress gained 9, right? So these are the states where Congress have really done well, where BJP have flopped. Rajasthan is another place, BJP lost 10, Congress gained 8 seats. Uttar Pradesh, although Congress gained only 5, BJP lost 30 seats to the Samajwadi Party. West Bengal also, BJP lost a few seats, right? So I think pretty much the Rajasthan story, the loss in Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal for BJP, right? These 3 states, the drop in Karnataka and Maharashtra, where Congress have significantly gained. I think these have been the places where Congress have gained, and that's why overall, compared to the previous elections, if you notice, actually Congress have gained slightly more seats, right? Even in these states, BJP got 276 last time, they've gained 215, so they've lost 60 seats. Congress in the same states got only 51 last time, but this time they've moved up to 91, right? So these were the few states. So I guess Rajasthan, obviously Congress has gained in Karnataka, Haryana also they've gained 5 seats, and Maharashtra, right? These were significant, and BJP also dropped in UP and West Bengal. That kind of added to their votes. right? And in terms of regions, one thing interesting that I've noticed is, if I look at central region, which is Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, BJP have been absolutely dominant, right? Congress win hardly 1 or 2 seats. Central seems to be very strong for BJP. If I clear this out and go to the east of India, again, east of India, Bihar, Jharkhand, BJP are still dominant. Even in Odisha, right, they won a lot of seats. Even in Bengal, right? So even east, BJP seem to have a higher foothold. If I go to the north and let's say also consider the northeast, so Assam again, northeast BJP are strong. Haryana now is 50-50. Punjab, Congress seem to dominate. UP still, BJP have more numbers than Congress. And then going towards the south, I think south, Andhra Pradesh, both are kind of non-existent. Karnataka is still BJP's foothold. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, no chance for BJP, right? This time they won 1 seat in Kerala, but generally low chance. Telangana, they've tried to improve. They are 50-50 now. So I hope you enjoy this analysis. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.